Dear students, today we are going to learn sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression, and the formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I have take one example. If the arithmetic progression 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, in this AP find S20. S20 means sum of first 20 terms of this arithmetic progression. First we have to write the a value. A is here first term and the value is 1, and D means common difference. D is equals to 3 minus 1 or 5 minus 3 or 7 minus 5, that is always constant, and the value is here 2. D value is 2, and n is equals to how many terms? 20 terms. We have to find out the sum of 20 terms. Therefore n is equals to 20. Just substitute these values in the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is equals to n value is 20. 20 by 2 into a value is 1 plus in bracket n minus 1, that is 20 minus 1, and the d value is 2. Common difference is 2. When you divide 20 by 2, you will get 10. 2 tens are 20. And simplify this also. 2 ones are 2 plus 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 into 2 is equals to 10. 2 plus 19 twos are 38, and 38 plus 2 is 40, and 10 into 40 is equals to 400. Therefore the value of S20 means sum of first 20 term is 400 for this given arithmetic progression. Dear students, now let us learn about the sum of AP when first term, last term and n value is given. When if we know the first term, last term and n value, we can find out the sum of the arithmetic progression by using this formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus l. Here a is first term and l is last term. I will take one example. 5, 7, 9, so on up to 23. This is a kind of finite arithmetic progression, because in this arithmetic progression, we have finite numbers of terms. Therefore, it is called finite arithmetic progression. In this example, find S10 means sum of 10 terms. First term is 5 and the last term is 23. Last term is 23 and the n value, we have to find sum of 10 terms. Therefore, n is equals to 10. Then Sn formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus l. Here n is 10 by 2. First term is 5 and last term is 23. Simplify this. 10 by 2 is 5. 5 plus 23 is 28. Multiply this one. 5 into 28 is 140. Therefore, S10 is equals to 140. This is the Sn formula to find the sum of the n terms when the first term, last term and n value is given. Dear students, now let us learn how to find out the sum of the first n positive integers, and the formula is Sn is equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here I have taken one example. Find sum of first 1000 positive integers. First 1000 positive integers means, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 so on up to 1000. Here we have to find out the sum of the 1000 positive integers. For this we have to use the formula Sn is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n is 1000. Therefore, take n 1000 and n plus 1 means 1000 plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 1000 divided by 2 is 500 into 1000 plus 1 is 1001 and the value is 5,500,000. This is S1000 value, means the sum of the first 1000 positive integers, and the sum is 5,500,000. Take another example. I'll give for homework. You try this one. Find sum of first 500 positive Try this one.